Two trusted home security brands. One crucial question. Which one really delivers peace of mind? On the left, Arlo, known for premium 2K and 4K smart cameras. And on the right, Cove, famous for simple, affordable DIY home security. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what truly matters for your home. We'll break down each category with points, so you can see exactly who leads in every area. The winner in 2025 might surprise you. Okay, just so we're all on the same page, here's our battle plan. We're going to stack these guys up across 6 categories: price, video and monitoring, setup and usability, smart home integration, professional monitoring, and customer ratings and support. Let's map it out. Visualize where these two clash and where they shine. All right, first up, price. Starting with Arlo. So Arlo's got those premium cameras, which means, yes, equipment prices are higher. Think $69 all the way up to $300+ for the fancier models. And full access to storage or the best features, that's going to be extra each month. On the plus side, at least they run deals and you aren't tied down by contracts, which is something. Now Cove. If you want simple, affordable, Cove really gets you there. Their monitoring? Basically the cheapest around, like $20 to $30 a month, no contracts, and their starter packages are usually under $300. If you want a ton of fancy cameras, you'll probably notice there aren't many choices. They just rebrand Eufy cams. So for price, Cove is definitely the wallet-friendly winner here. Now let's talk about video and monitoring. And wow, this is where Arlo flexes. You're getting 2K and even 4K camera resolutions. That means super crisp footage, and you can set up alerts for people, packages, animals. Pretty smart stuff. Plus, it works with Alexa and Google and gives you actual camera options. Downside? Some of the coolest features live behind that paid subscription wall, and their privacy policies could definitely be stronger. Cove. Honestly, their Eufy cams are solid. Not native Cove, but good basics. Up to 2K resolution, just not as many options. You get fast emergency response, so safety's there. But you've got to juggle a separate app for video, which, yeah, that's kind of a pain, and there's just not much variety. So for the camera nerds, Arlo totally takes the win. Let's talk setup and usability now. Arlo gives you wireless installs, flexible mounting, and the app's solid. But here's the thing. Setup isn't always a walk in the park if tech's not your favorite. You might be flipping through guides, tweaking stuff for features. Cove, on the other hand, oh man, it's like idiot-proof. You just peel, stick, and you're basically done. The touchscreen panel literally walks you through the process. Sensors? Pre-configured. You don't get a lot of tech options, but for fuss-free install, Cove wins hands down. Oh, and here's something cool I bet most folks don't know. Cove uses Rapid SOS to send alerts directly to 911. So, like, if you're in trouble, you don't even have to speak. The system just blasts out your info. High-tech and kind of reassuring, right? Next up, smart home integration. Arlo's the smart tech's best friend. Alexa, Google Assistant, geofencing, automations galore, and it plays nice with lots of third-party stuff. Some of that does need a subscription, but if you're building a smart home, this is what you want. Cove, well, you get voice assistant support, but only if you spring for their fanciest plan, and they don't really do open integrations. Device expansion is kinda limited. So yeah, Arlo's got this category all locked up. Professional monitoring. So Arlo actually offers pro monitoring, but oof. It's $25 a month if you want the full package, with emergency features through their app. You don't have to use it and can self-monitor, but it's pricier for equivalent service. Meanwhile, Cove is really out to win fans here. Pro monitoring runs about $20 to $30 monthly, you get rapid alerts, and here's something cool, 911 dispatch is direct thanks to Rapid SOS. Only catch? You need the top plan to include camera coverage. Still, for speed and price, Cove is definitely your go-to. And finally, customer ratings and support. Arlo's hardware scores great reviews. Everybody loves the gear. And the app is generally good. On the flip side, there are mixed vibes about those subscriptions. And their privacy policy isn't exactly winning awards. Cove boasts some of the highest ratings out there. Over 4.2 stars on thousands of reviews. Transparent pricing, and customer support that actually helps. Sure, there are occasional hiccups, app bugs, whatever. But overall, Cove makes customers happy, so they take this round. Let's pull all those categories together and look at the radar chart. You can really see which system spikes in which category. And, spoiler, Cove takes a few wins, Arlo crushes it in video and smart features. Super useful for visualizing what matters most to you. If you're all about stunning video quality, lots of camera options, and stacking up smart features, Arlo's your jam. Especially if you're kind of techie at heart. But if you seriously just want simple security, fast help, and honest pricing, like you want to set it and forget it, Cove is definitely the better fit, especially for renters or anyone just getting started with DIY home security. So which kind of peace of mind are you after? Ultra smart cameras or ultra simple security? Take a minute. Think about how you want things to work at your place. And hey, always check for deals before you buy, because the best offer might drop any